Can you tell me what we're doing?
Yeah, we are picking a color from the bag, and whatever color you get. So I'm getting.
What else is?
Let's see.
I got purple.
I got red. So I'm gonna shoot nothing but red. Every red I see, I'm gonna shoot that.
Blue. 0 blue.
There's a dog wearing shoes.
Dog with purple booties. For anyone that has purple.
That's exactly. I live a low quality life. I'm always
It won't.
She grows a little bit.
I want to limit to clarity.
Looking for. I think it's a really great exercise in actually seeing the world around you. Medium gray, so it's fun to see the other things that are there. As far as announcements.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have anything. I don't have anything. Do keep in mind change come March. So be on the call for submissions coming soon. It will open on March. Go through your collection, see what kitty photos you have.
And it's a basketball player. I'm pretty sure. Where's he at? Never seen. He's one of my faves. Do you know, like
It doesn't matter. What kind of camera do you have here?
How you been, man? I haven't seen you in a minute.
Yeah, I stayed.
Aaron, it's the poop. It's poop bar O2.
For 500 feet.
Dude, this is just really like just camaraderie at its finest. That is just all eyes right there.
But I have friends that do freelance work.
It's a little more grippy.
I didn't give him permission.
So there's that.
When you have a 28, I gotta be like right.
Yeah.
Be like right here.
It's very, very strong opinion on that.
This one's a thrift store find. I've got another one. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, Wolfie does videography.
Only gloves that I've had that properly fit me.
Rubbing on a window.
You don't
have.
He said that.
Look at this, John.
Do with a frozen bottle of pee. It's definitely pee.
Hey man.
Why don't you take a sip of it?
Because of the carbonation, just like pop.
A little scientist, huh?
I've had beers explode.
Who?
I don't know.
Bye.
You know, there's like a small guy falls.
And I like hiked so much in Utah. And
Suck with.
8.5 or 9's on in this store. And then I was like, you know what?
Basically just stand there for like 10 minutes and then they would finally
Return.
return.
Yep.
Were you there yesterday? No. Oh, last year. We were there yesterday.
All right, what birds are those, Sean?
On the way out, I stopped at the ponds. Half frozen, half
Sure.
so many waters.
Oh.
It's good. No, it's far from the top.
Naturalist by Great Parks. So this is one of our locations. I'm off the clock now, but sometimes I do programs for work here, bird walks and stuff. So if you're into that, you can always check out the Great Parks website and look for our program. I love bird watching. I go birding pretty much every day. I know remarkably one in Cincinnati, so, but I am happy to help show you guys some birds and some nature stuff. And
My plan is to go looking for sound.
Oh yeah. If it warms up.
I have a good sound.
We saw one.
Wait, did I find the black and white?
This is black.
Oh, okay.
there's some hooded mergansers out on the water. They're kind of behind the tree. So they're pretty much straight from us towards the...
Hooded mergansers are one of the few duck species that nest. It just came up on the right side.
I'm not seeing much.
Oh, she just shit.
I saw it.
Except for when I lose her.
She's on the back side of that slope. I think she was on the left.
Record.
She's so pretty.
I love when there's a bunch of photographers in there.
When I was trying to find a little tiny bird, it was quite impossible.
Which one is it there? Is it
Robin.
Fuji 150? Oh, okay. What do you got it on?
Alright.
Chickadee.
Chickadee.
Because when these things fall, there's always a spike coming up.
Like a flower. It's actually really cool because it generates its own heat.
Bushes, and then it just flew backwards.
No ducks.
I'll take my legs.
Said early May?
He's hitching a ride. Oh, that'd be super annoying. Can you see him on my screen? Somewhere in there. It's an eagle. Bald eagle.
Yeah, so there's a nest down in follow the river to where it meets the Ohio River. They nest down there. Technically the only eagle nest in the city of Cincinnati, like within city limits. But they've been nesting down there for like 8 years. They're just laid in, they have a live camera on it. On the ground, really farther back. Downy woodpeckers.
Oh, there's another one too.
There's one up.
There you go, I got him. Oh, please focus.
Too dark.
Oh. Here he is. Got him.
I'm supposed to be looking at that.
He's just gonna stick to the trunk of that tree, and he just goes up it like this the whole way. When he gets to the top, he'll fly down to a different tree and do it again.
Lifer.
Okay, what bird did you see?
Saw a brown creeper, hooded
Creeper.
merganser, creeper, yellow rumped warbler, among others. Downy woodpeckers, red-bellied woodpecker. Anything else that you can think of? Brown creeper. You said that's the first thing I said. Okay. Creeper. I saw a titmouse. I saw a bald eagle.
Yeah, I missed both of those.
I missed the bald eagle.
Red-bellied woodpecker?
No
I saw that.
salamanders.
No, of course not. It's a bird walk.
I was looking.
Exactly.
Wait,
Yeah,
I got something.
Oh God.
I'm too hungry.
Dude, my computer literally glitched. Like, it just like went through.
Yeah.
What? One day?
Yeah, it's not even. I got this like at noon. Oh, I wasn't here last Thursday, so that's why. That's crazy.
It's probably been.
You know, honestly, a lot more people showed up than I expected.
You know, that old Sony Handycam.
What is that? I've been thinking about getting something very small. So this
There we go.
A little weed and be a little freaky.
I didn't say nothing. Man, you're so annoying.
Next place we pass.
about
It's an even better picture of Finn.
Stealing my fucking jokes.
What are you doing? Get out of my face, man. Here, how do you like it?
Am I in it? Left.
It's not that bright. There's a kitty in the window.
surprising. Sometimes.
And if you grab them quick enough, they just like release, you know?
Did this actually happen?
See, this is what I was talking
Ryan
about.
Riverdale.
Well, no, it's the same guy. I would say like a
Did he?
Dude.
This feels like the Blair Witch. It's actually how this is.
Too bright?
That did not look good.
It's not that bright.
What do you mean?
It's just kind of blue and.
A little basket or something.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I need to. He's plot.
House that Bree is like we're gonna buy.
No.
So like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't think anything chipped off. Been there, done that.
Alright.
Cat on Touch Tunes.
Actually played that the last time we were. What was it?
It was me.
Balatro. Nah, it's fine. There's 2 more of them in the trash. Sorry for putting the light in your face.
That's what I was trying to do. Well, we're missing a few.
Oh, head's dirty. I'm too zoomed in.
Sorry for party rock. Do I have beads or sauce on my face?
No.
Yay. Oh. I didn't need to. Hey.
He's about to go beast mode.
Menu button.
Should've brought my hoodie.
Give it a ball.
Let me see your shirt. That's why I wanted your camera. I want to show everybody. I wanted to show everybody who the real star is.
Yeah, I got
Secrets.